me will set it the program with your convenience. This is my promise to you.
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Let's start with the session. I've started the recording. Uh, for the benefit of the newcomers, I do see a lot of new people today. A bit of introduction about our company, Rapid Mile, and the trainers which are associated with it. Rapid Mile is a training company focused more on mind power and related trainings on law of attraction, and it has been in the business for almost 18 years now. Okay, we have trained thousands of people on law of attraction, on silver ultramine and related topics. And recently we started with our online ventures, and there are four trainers who joined us. Uh, Today's session will be taken by Mr. Balram Talreja. He has experience almost 30 years now in the field of yoga and pranayam. Apart from Balram Talreja, we have Mr. Sanjeev Mishra, who is an expert in the money field. So he takes on and off money sessions. So and the mornings money daily money sessions also. So in case if you're interested, feel free to join his classes. We have Mitakshi there, and he's an expert in the Jack Canfield Success Principles and also in Law of Attraction. She's also an author of the book on Law of Attraction.
Shaz, you
And then
said
we,
Nitakshi instead of Niharika.
I'm so sorry,
I,
Niharika.
I was surprised Mitakshi has joined back.
I'm so sorry, Niharika. Okay. And so Mitakshi, just for other people, Mitakshi is another trainer who may join us soon. And then we have Dr. Anila Lal, who could not make it today. And she is also an expert in law of attraction and also trainer for associated with us for almost last 8 years now. Okay, my name is Shaz. I'm the director of Rapid Mile Company, and I'm also the trainer's trainer for Law of Attraction, as well as some other related topics. And so today, let's welcome Mr. Balram Talreja with a warm applause. Please take over from here.
Thank you, Shazbhai. Good evening, everybody. I'm truly delighted what I've been experiencing for the last 30 years, becoming zero to hero. खिजा थी मेरी जिंदगी, बाहर आई हुई है ऐसी बाहर जहां खिजा का कोई नामो निशान जिंदगी में फिर से नहीं हो सकता है. But the need of yoga in today's time, every country is feeling. Even in America, they are now doing the research on those who are the regularly yoga practitioners. 5,000 they are will be recording their experiences, and about 10,000 they are going to record the people those who are not doing yoga. And very shortly will they come up before the world how yoga is beneficial to us in our day-to-day life. Before you go ahead, I'll be totally whatever I'm going to teach you. It's a practical science. I'll not speak much of theory. The practicals you'll see, because yoga is a practical science. Tons of theory will not work for you, but an ounce of practice if you do, that will really help you out. We shall start today's session with very first slide. Very first slide. Yes, Shazbhai, put the slide, please. Number one slide.
Sure, Balram, just a moment.
I have been telling in my classes, I've been conducting the health classes for more than 30 years now. Very first slide that I show in my health related subjects, the very slide that I show, it says 100 काम छोड़कर वक्त पर खाना खा लो, 1000 काम छोड़कर वक्त पर सो जाओ, 1,00,000 काम छोड़कर व्यायाम करो या योगा करो, और उससे भी इंपॉर्टेंट है 1 करोड़ काम छोड़कर भी आप मेडिटेशन करो, ध्यान करो. Of the moment of silence every day. Again, I'll repeat it. The secret of absolute fitness. ये संजीवनी बूटी है जीवन को स्वस्थ रखने के लिए, to keep yourself absolutely fit and fine. अगर आपके 100 काम 100 works you got aside to do, leaving aside that those 100 works, 100 काम छोड़कर आपको वक्त पर खाना खा लेना है, 1000 काम छोड़कर वक्त पर सो जाएं, 1,00,000 काम छोड़कर योगा करें या व्यायाम करें कोई भी, और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है 1 करोड़ काम भी अगर आपके पास करने के लिए बैलेंस है, एनी नंबर ऑफ जॉब्स दैट यू टू गेट कंप्लीटेड, उसको भी छोड़कर पहले अगर आप मेडिटेशन करोगे, तो मैं दावे के साथ कह सकता हूं कि योगा इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट द फिजिकल पोस्चर्स और सर्टेन ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइजेस, इट इज वेयर इट सेज yoga has the message for the human body, mind and the spirit, right? Next slide. Next slide. Yes, now we are all sitting here and everybody is listening the entire day that oxygen is not available, right? People are really very much, you can say, hopeless, helpless in lack of oxygen. The people are dying in the hospitals, beds are available, oxygen not there. At home also, those who are taking the treatments, oxygen is not available to them. But yogis have made one mudra, Udan mudra. When I was meditating today in the evening, I just tried this mudra. I have read about this mudra about 30 years back. And we hardly teach this mudra, Udan mudra. But in this time of corona and the pandemic, the need of oxygen in our body is needed to be at very high level. Right? The moment it comes below 93, then you have to be very careful of it. So this mudra, what I've shown here, it is called the Udan mudra. You got Pancha Prana in the body, Apana, Prana, Vyana, Udana, and Saman. So Udan is the mudra. How to apply? आप अभी इसको लगा के बैठ सकते हैं. You can sit with me after applying this mudra. So the 3 elements, when they are not in order, they are imbalanced. When that particular element we touch against the tip of the thumb, see the first finger indicates Vayu, air tattva. Vayu means mind. Mind is wavering nowadays, very disturbed, restless. People are going to anxiety, they are going to depression. So this tattva particularly, the very first finger indicates the air tattva, which is the mind, right? Second is the Akash. Akash means broad-mindedness, Vishal ki hridayata, bhavyata, divyata, to accept anything, any eventually in the life. And the third is called as the earth element. Earth is connected with the root chakra, Buladhar chakra, right? Which is the center of stability. आज हर व्यक्ति अपने आप को बहुत ज्यादा अस्थिर महसूस कर रहा है. चारों तरफ कोलाहल का वातावरण. एवरी टाइम व्हाट वी सीन, इसका ये मर गया, उसका वो गुजर गया, ये हॉस्पिटल में है, उसकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, सब लोग घर में बैठे हैं, फोर्स आइसोलेशन, कईयों के पास काम नहीं है, पैसा नहीं है खाने के लिए, बिकॉज वी आर पुअर कंट्री. So all these things are putting a very much strain on the minds of the people. The atmosphere all around us is very much, you can say, depleted, or at a very low level of consciousness we are living. So this mudra, हम जब तक बैठे हैं, we'll be listening to my lecture. You put this mudra, see touching the 3 fingers. Little finger you keep it apart, and again the tip of the thumb. You have to touch 3 mudras. That is first is the air. That is mind को balance करता है ये. Second is the Akash tattva को balance करता है, and third is the Prati tattva. So all these 3 fingers you have to touch to the tip of the thumb in such a way that it should form a circle here. When it forms the circle here, both hands you have to mark the circle here. That means the mudra is perfectly applied. The moment you start the mudra, even for a second, it starts working. So if possible, if you feel like to have some oxygen elevated during the session, so please keep this mudra, keep it upside and on your thighs, right? Yes, Udan mudra, nowadays even doctors are advocating even for the ICU patients, because it instantly increases the oxygen level in the patient. Yes, otherwise so many things you are reading, you are getting the messages, videos, prone position. जब हम पेट के बल लेटते हैं तो एक तकिया आपके सर के नीचे, एक तकिया आपके थाइस के, आपके जो है घुटनों के नीचे के एरिया में, एंड 1 पिलो बिलो द फीट. अगर आप 3 तकिए रख के किसी भी पेशेंट को, व्हेन द ऑक्सीजन लेवल गोज बिलो 93 to any level, on the spot you make that person to lie down on tummy side, keeping 1 pillow above this and 1 pillow below the knees and 1 pillow below the feet. If a person, a patient, or you can say anybody feeling lack of oxygen, oximeter is showing less than 93, so on the spot if one lies down for 2 hours, For 2 hours, I'm telling you, it is not only for a second or two, it will show the result. But when that person or the patient lies for 2 hours on the prone position, the tummy side, I can tell you the people have seen the oxygen level coming very high up. This is called the prone position, and हम लोग इसको मकरासन का पोस्चर कहते हैं योगा में. Yes, next slide please. Next slide please. Yes, हम ये प्रैक्टिकल चालू करेंगे. What I told you in the beginning, 100 काम छोड़कर वक्त पर सोना, 1000 काम छोड़कर वक्त पर खाना खाना, 1 लाख छोड़कर योगा करना या व्यायाम करना, और करोड़ काम छोड़कर मेडिटेशन करना. Because the corona pandemic is putting a lot of strain on your immune system. Stress, you are very much going to stress. The third thing is that is you are becoming quite fearful. देखो कोरोना जितनों को भी लगा है ना, उन्होंने कोरोना को जरूर आमंत्रित किया है कि मुझे कहीं कोरोना हो जाए, मुझे कहीं कोरोना हो जाए, मुझे कहीं कोरोना हो जाए. और ऐसे लोगों को कोरोना डेफिनेटली होता है. बिकॉज मुझे कोरोना,
बल्ली तो गला है.
शरद भाई, माय साउंड इज क्लियर ना?
जूम पे ही है ना आवाज.
Yes, your sound is clear.
Yes, sir.
ओके.
लोकेश जी
तेरे
आप क्या
में
बोल
से
रहे हैं?
ज्यादा हुआ ना, मेरे में से कम हुआ.
लोकेश मुडी अपायो अनम्यूट करे छड़िया मोबाइल इनके. Yes, so I was talking about stress, fear, and third is low immunity. These things are
तेरे को थोड़ी
attacking the person with corona,
मैं तेरे
right?
को भेजूं.
So we'll be now observing how to very easily concentrate your mind. You are worried, you are fearful, you are anxious, you are disturbed, you are restless, you are feeling really very low on the spot to self-centered yourself. This is, we call it as an anapan, we call it as the sakshi bhavana, we call it the, when we will be practically doing this particular exercise. You take this Gyana, you are already holding with mudra, Udana mudra. Now be straight, keep eyes closed. On the spot, you can control your mind. On the spot, you can minimize your thoughts, and instantly you can really get absolutely relaxing. This is the part of meditation. Close your eyes, सभी अपनी आंखें बंद कर दें. चेहरे पर कोई तनाव न हो, no facial strain at all. Relax forehead. Body absolutely straight, relaxing and steady. शरीर को बिल्कुल सीधा, स्थिर और शांत और सीधा रखें. रिलैक्स होकर रखें और पूरा ध्यान, पूरा फोकस आपके सांसों पर. हर आने और जाने वाली सांस, एवरी ब्रेथ coming in, its coolness, and every breath going out, its warmness, उसकी गर्माहट को दोनों ही नासिकाओं के छिद्रों पर फील करें, महसूस करें. एक भी सांस आपके ध्यान के बगैर न आने पाए, न बाहर जाने पाए. नॉट ए सिंगल ब्रेथ विल गो अनरजिस्टर्ड बाय यू. साक्षी रहें, तटस्थ रहें, जागरूक रहें. बी अवेयर एंड कॉन्शियस अबाउट योर ब्रीदिंग. Yes, relax. Can anybody share me with this 2 minutes just being with the self, watching your breath, अपनी सांसों की तरफ. जैसे अपने फोकस को हमने चेंज किया है, what the change you could find, please anybody, either put in the chat box, या आप अपने आप को अनम्यूट करके शेयर भी कर सकते हैं. Yes, please anybody.
Balaram bhai, I felt very light, honestly. It was
Beautiful.
so So easy.
Very good. Very good. See, within 2 minutes time,
Yeah.
you undergo some trauma. Your someone near and dear has been lost. It really puts you into absolute very distressing condition. On the spot, on the spot, on the spot, just focus your attention to the breath. The breath is the reality of our life. Because the breath we are able to survive. This we call as the Anapan in Satyanand Goenka's Vipassana meditation. So this is the very fundamental thing which you have to practice again and again. आपके पास ध्यान करने के लिए मेडिटेशन करने के लिए टाइम नहीं रहता ज्यादा, है ना? लेकिन but you can definitely take some time, a minute's time, a 2 minutes time, just be with your breath, be with breath, be with your breath. It is meditation only. और meditation को क्या कहा जाता है? साक्षीपन की आत्मा है योग. Whatever is happening before you, to be a passive watcher, when you're not reacting, that is the beauty of the life. That means you are accepting the situation the way it is. Is that clear? Now we can go ahead. Yes, with the next slide. Yes, very first, now we'll be teaching you very simple breathing, जो आप अपने घर में सभी को सिखा सकते हैं. Anybody, आप बिस्तरे में लेट कर भी इसको कर सकते हैं. It is so easy. Yogis have designed this beautiful breathing very easily to perform. Even for a person of 90 plus, one can easily do in a very awkward position. ऐसे टेढ़ा होकर बैठोगे तो भी कर सकते हैं. रात को अगर आपकी नींद नहीं आती है, you are not able to sleep, you can do this particular breathing exercise. It is very easy. What you have to do, you have to first, during the start, you have to exhale out from the mouth. आपको मुंह से सांस को बाहर निकालना है. Then 4, what I've written is the inhale. आपको सांस को भरना है 4 काउंट, रोकना है 8 काउंट, और फिर रोकना है 7 काउंट, और फिर 8 काउंट आपको you have to exhale the air out from the mouth. Now be very careful. I am telling you that you have to, in the beginning, start with exhalation to have the better inhalation. Start with exhale out from the mouth, then inhale for 4 counts, hold for 7 counts, and exhale for 8 counts. आदमी कितना भी थका हुआ हो, सीढ़ियां चढ़ के ऊपर आया है, एक व्यक्ति काम कर रहा है, अचानक उसका बीपी बढ़ गया है, अचानक ही इज फीलिंग डायबिटीज बढ़ गया, ही इज फीलिंग वेरी अनईजी, ऑन द स्पॉट इट हेल्प्स यू. This is such a easy pranayam. You can teach it to any family member. It's really giving the wonderful effect of this. तो पहले मैं करूंगा, फिर आप मेरे साथ 3 राउंड करोगे. This pranayam is called the 4, 7, 8. 4 counts you have to inhale, 7 counts you have to hold, सांस को रोक के रखना है, और फिर 8 काउंट आपको मुंह से सांस को भरना है. ये the exhalation is from the mouth, right? On the spot आपके बॉडी का ऑक्सीजन लेवल बढ़ना ही बढ़ना है, बढ़ना ही बढ़ना है. जब हम थक जाते हैं तो क्या होता है, हमारे शरीर में लैक्टिक एसिड जमा हो जाता है, वी बिकम वेरी ब्रेथलेस, हमारी सांस उखड़ जाती है. ऑन द स्पॉट टू करेक्ट योर ब्रेथ, टू करेक्ट योर माइंड, एंड टू करेक्ट योर फिजिकल बॉडी, एंड टू करेक्ट योर द सिचुएशन, राइट? सी दिस, आई विल शो यू. यू हैव टू इनहेल फर्स्ट, यू हैव टू एक्सहेल, देन इनहेल फॉर 4 काउंट्स, होल्ड फॉर 7 काउंट्स, एंड एक्सहेल फ्रॉम द माउथ फॉर 8 काउंट्स. सी, फर्स्ट एक्सहेल. Yes, we shall be repeating this pranayam, everybody. Is that clear to you?
Yeah.
Is that clear, everybody? Yes. So we can go with this pranayam now. 4, first exhale out from the mouth, inhale 4 counts, hold 7 counts, and exhale for 8 counts. 5 times you have to repeat this pranayam, right? This can be applicable to any old aged person, any diseased person. On the spot, it really corrects your breathing. Okay. Yes. Close your eyes.
Balram bhai, inhale is from nose, right?
Of course, yes. Of course, yes.
Okay.
Exhalation is from the mouth, just to relax you instantly. Otherwise we exhale from the nostrils only. But here because we are exhaling from the mouth, so we have got the better opening. So you can exhale more. When you exhale more, naturally the oxygen will go more inside, and oxygen, lack of oxygen will be totally balanced. Right? Start. Last round. No humming bee. No humming bee sound. नाक से आवाज नहीं निकालनी है, मुंह से सांस को बाहर छोड़ना. Last round we are doing. Yes, relax. Relax. Yes, relax. Anybody would like to share? How do we feel? How do you feel after this? Hardly a minute's pranayam. Yes, anybody would like to share?
Feeling very light and very calm.
Feeling very light.
Very calm.
Very good, excellent. See, आपके सामने जो बात कर रहे हैं, he is Kumar Krishnan. He is a regular yoga student. आप ध्यान से, कृष्ण भाई आप आए हैं तो you will please introduce yourself and give me little experience. आपको जो हुआ था, he was on the third day of Corona. He started joining. He joined my class in the morning 7 o'clock. And what is the experience says, he'll explain to you. Yes, Kumar Krishnan, please. Yes, please.
The mic should be muted. Somebody's mic is
Yes,
open.
please. आप सभी अपने माइक को अनम्यूट कर दें प्लीज, ताकि हम सुन सकें. बहुत ही वंडरफुल एक्सपीरियंस रहा है इनका. कोरोना में से ये कोरोना काल में ही ज्वाइन किया प्राणायाम. Yes, please.
Thank you, Mr. Balram. Actually, I don't know. I don't have any words to say. How to express it, I do not know. We started on the month of, in this month, in the month of 18th of this month, I had some symptoms like a cough and there were no fever, but the cough and chest condition. The next day also it continued. So I decided being going to go with the times. I thought I will take a test on COVID, RT-PCR test in the COVID. And unfortunately proved negative. I was a little disturbed. I don't know how to drive it out. Then coincidentally, Rapid Mail has brought this yoga and meditation classes to begin from 20th of this month by Balram Talreja sir. And I immediately jumped into the wagon. And the first day I attended, then I made some personal contact with him in the afternoon. I asked him some clues how to go about and what are the things to be done to drive this out. He gave me some this thing about Omgar, that is that Om chanting. Om chanting is very, very useful because it gives a lot of the generation of nitric oxide in the nostrils, and which gives a lot of effect in driving away this coronavirus. So now 3 days I attended regularly. Maybe from the 5th day onwards I started feeling comfortable. I was almost back to normal. Most of the time people used to joke at me that you don't look like that you had a COVID and you are looking hale and hearty. I took it for granted and took it to my stride. I was so happy to listen. It made me more and more happy and more useful. So now after that I regularly attended the classes. Last 2 weeks my quarantine is over now. Yesterday I had a test on COVID again, just to prove that, because I have to go for a second vaccination. First vaccination is already over in March 8th. So I thought I will take a second vaccination with a negative certificate. Now it is proved negative. So I'll be looking forward to more and more classes. And I think more advanced classes are also being contemplated by Balram sir. So we'll be regular attendees to all these classes. Thank you all. I request all the people to come and share this experience and enjoy and get the benefit out of it. Thank you all.
Thank you, Kumar Krishnan. Now we are going for a wonderful. Now we are going for a wonderful posture. All the yogasanas, topsy-turvy postures, Gomukhasana. But now here we'll take very, very, very important posture. If you are scared, if you are nervous, if you are mentally exhausted, you're mentally disturbed, restless, rather you can say very, very much in anxiety, right? On the spot, when you correct your posture, at the time worry, fear, anxiety, our posture droops down. You sit like this, sit like this, sit like this, sit like this, right? Your posture droops down, and you can say the breathing capacity very much gets hampered. So this is a wonderful posture made by the yogis, which is called the Parvatasana. We'll be repeating this posture. This is to be done in the sitting position. On the ground, you can take any base posture, or if you are sitting on the sofa or chair, In this time when you do this, perform this आसन, आप जब इस आसन को करते हैं तो आपको बिल्कुल सीधा बैठना है। रेडी? चलें सभी हम करके देखेंगे। इस आसन को हम 3 बार करेंगे। अभी कभी आपकी कमर, पीठ, गर्दन, कंधे में जो भी अकड़न है, आपके शरीर में जो भी थोड़ा सा भी खिंचाव है, आपका जो भी मेंटल स्ट्रेस है, क्योंकि हम जब इसको पूरा खींचते हैं कमर के ऊपर के हिस्से को, तो हमारे जो वर्टिब्रास हैं, पहले एक बार करके देखेंगे हम लोग। यस, रेडी? कम ऑन, डू इट विथ मी, एवरीबॉडी हैज टू डू इट। बोथ द हैंड्स इन द लाइन ऑफ शोल्डर्स, दोनों बाहों को कंधों की लाइन में ले आओ। इंटरलॉक करो फिंगर्स को, इंटरलॉक द फिंगर्स, टेक इट अप, चेंज दैट पाम्स अपवर्ड, अपने हथेलियों को ऊपर की तरफ ले जाएं, छत की तरफ, और अब बाहों को खींचें ऊपर। बाहों को कानों से लगाने की कोशिश करें। क्लोज आईज, आंखें बंद करें। जो खिंचाव कमर के ऊपर के हिस्से में, कमर, पीठ, कंधे, गर्दन में बना है, उसे महसूस करें। इस आसन के अंतिम अवस्था में सीना बाहर हो जाता है, इसके लिए इस आसन का नाम है पर्वतासन। तो कम बैक स्लोली, वापस आने के लिए आंखें खोलें। सबसे पहले दोनों बाहों को लूज करें, हथेलियां जमीन की तरफ, बाहें कंधों के लाइन में, इंटरलॉक को खोलें और बाहों को नीचे ले आएं। राइट? पर्वत के समान जिसका सीना चौड़ा होता है, ही इज फुल ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड एनर्जी। राइट? अगर हम कहां भी सफलता पाना चाहते हैं, यू वांट टू ओवरकम एनी ट्रॉमा इन द लाइफ, एनी डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन इन द लाइफ, राइट पोस्चर एंड द प्रॉपर ब्रीदिंग, जो मैं आखिरी तक आपको सिखाऊंगा मैं आज, दैट इज द utmost necessary for to overcome any circumstances, situations, or for the success in any area of the life. जिंदगी का हर क्षेत्र में सफलता का सूत्र है राइट पोस्चर एंड द प्रॉपर ब्रीदिंग। जब हम तनाव में होते हैं, ऑफिस में काम करते हैं, दिन भर मोबाइल पे रहते हैं, आड़े टेढ़े होकर लेटते हैं, तो हमारे जो बॉडी का जो पोस्चर है ना, इट इज लॉस्ट इट्स ओरिजिनल शेप। इस आसन से आप हमेशा अपने आप को युवा रख सकते हैं। जो भी बूढ़े हैं यहाँ पर, इस आसन को करोगे तो जवान हो जाओगे। जो भी जवान यहाँ पर हैं, वो कभी बूढ़े नहीं होंगे। कुछ लोग मेरी बात से शायद सहमत न हो, लेकिन आपको बताऊं कि अगर हमारा मेरुदंड, इफ अवर वर्टिब्रल कॉलम इज यंग, वी आर ऑलवेज यंग। इफ अवर वर्टिब्रल कॉलम is getting older before the age also, we'll go older earlier soon, हम जल्दी बूढ़े हो जाएंगे। फिर से हम इस आसन को कर रहे हैं। जस्ट रेडी, गेट रेडी, नोट सपोर्ट एट द बैक, दोनों बाहें कंधों की लाइन में ले आओ, लाइन ऑफ शोल्डर, इंटरलॉक फिंगर्स, टेक इट अप, ऊपर ले लो, हथेलियां ऊपर की तरफ ले जाओ, बाहों को कानों से लगाने की कोशिश करें, उंगलियां खींची हुई, ज्यादती न करें, जबरदस्ती न करें। दोनों बाहें कानों से लगी हुई, उंगलियां खींची हुई, आंखें बंद कर लें सभी। जो खिंचाव बना है उसे महसूस करें। शायद भाई चेंज द स्क्रीन प्लीज, शायद भाई चेंज द स्क्रीन। जो भी खिंचाव आपके कमर, पीठ, कंधे, गर्दन में बना है उसे महसूस करें। तो कम बैक स्लोली, आंखों को खोलें, बाहों को लूज करें, हथेलियां जमीन की तरफ, बाहें कंधों के लाइन में, इंटरलॉक को खोले, बाहों को नीचे ले आए। नाउ सी इन द स्क्रीन, आई हैव शोन इन द स्क्रीन, इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू टच बोथ ऑफ योर अपर आर्म्स टू द ईयर, अगर आपकी बाहें कानों को नहीं लगती हैं, देखो यहाँ पहले पोस्चर में, यहाँ पर द वेरी फर्स्ट लेफ्ट पोस्चर, द सिस्टर दैट शी इज डूइंग दिस पोस्चर, हर बोथ द आर्म्स आर नॉट स्ट्रेट, उसकी दोनों बाहें सीधी नहीं हो रही हैं। सेकंड पोस्चर में भी बैक साइड लेडी इज perfectly all right, but the front is perfectly all right, back side he's got some problem, and absolutely from the back side I have shown this screen, entire spinal column and becomes fully straight. We extend all the vertebrae of the vertebral column. Inside that is the spinal cord, which is made up of 32 or 33 spinal nerves, जिसको हम कहते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक केबल, जिसमें 32 से 33 वायर्स होती हैं। हम जैसे इस पोस्चर को करते हैं तो सारे शरीर में ऊर्जा सक्रिय होती है, प्राणिक एनर्जी सक्रिय होती है, और आपका डर है 5 बार अगर इस आसन को किसी बच्चे को कराया जाए, बच्चा एग्जाम में जाने के लिए तैयार बैठा है, पढ़ाई पूरी हो चुकी है, बट इज नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट, ही इज बिकमिंग नर्वस, ऑन द स्पॉट यू विल सी दैट दिस आसन टेक्स यू आउट ऑफ नर्वसनेस, आउट ऑफ एंग्जाइटी। रात को आपने बहुत हैवी खाना खाया है, पेट बहुत भारी है, आधी रात को उठकर भी आप इस आसन को कर सकते हैं। आपके पेट के जो जितने भी अंग हैं जैसे ही सेटल हो जाते हैं अपनी जगह पे, सो अगेन विल बी डूइंग, यस प्लीज once again, last time we'll be doing, third time, called as पर्वतासन। both hands line of shoulder, दोनों बाहें कंधों की लाइन में ले आएं, हाथों की उंगलियों को बांधें, ले चलें ऊपर, टर्न करें और पुल करें, बाहों को कानों से लगाने की कोशिश करें, उंगलियां खींची हुई, आंखें बंद हैं सभी की। जो खिंचाव, what is the stretch you are finding at the back and in the front, पेट, छाती, कंधा, गर्दन, पीछे से कमर, पीठ, कंधा, गर्दन, उसे महसूस करें, फील करें, जल्दबाजी न करें, ज्यादती न करें, क्षमतानुसार ठहरे आसन में। तो कम बैक स्लोली, आईज ओपन, दोनों बाहों को लूज करें, हथेलियां जमीन की तरफ, बाहें कंधों के लाइन में, इंटरलॉक को खोलें और बाहों को नीचे ले आएं। Relax. Now we have repeated this asana 3 times. Those who are not able to touch, those अपनी बाहों को कानों से नहीं लगा पाते हैं, बाहों को बिल्कुल सीधा नहीं कर सकते हैं, that means उनके कमर में, पीठ में, कंधे में, गर्दन में थोड़ा दर्द है. क्यों दर्द है? दर्द तो हमारे वर्टिब्रा के बीच में इसमें नर्व्स होती है, बीच में मणका बीच में डिस्क होती है. तो जैसे ही मणका थोड़ा भी टेढ़ा हो गया तो ये नस दबती है. नस दबने की वजह से यू गेट द पेन, राइट? टू हैव द पेन फ्री फ्रॉम द वेस्ट रीजन, फ्रॉम द शोल्डर रीजन, फ्रॉम द सर्वाइकल रीजन, यू विल feel that this posture really take, ये आसन आपको से बाहर ले जाएगा. Yes, anybody? Can anybody share after repeating this posture for 3 times, one is feeling some change in the body? Yes, please, anybody? Either you put in the chat box also.
सर मैं इस आसन को करने में असमर्थ हूँ. मेरा
आप है प्लीज मनीष भाई आप मुझसे बाद में बात करना प्लीज.
ओके सर.
Yes, please. Yes, please, anybody? Anybody like to share? How did you feel after doing this, performing this posture for 3 times? You can put in the chat
Yes,
box.
sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir. I feel the difference. Actually,
Meena,
I
please.
was having little bit strain on my neck earlier, so I was doing some exercise for that. But now, after doing this, I feel like I feel relaxed, and I mean, I feel like it's almost feeling better.
Very good.
Thank you,
इस
sir.
आसन का नाम है, आपको जवान बनाए रखेगा आसन, ये कभी बूढ़ा नहीं होने देगा. ये आई एम डूइंग योगा फॉर द लास्ट 30 years एंड आई स्टार्टेड योगा अबाउट 30 years बैक. आई एम 64 कंप्लीटिंग नाउ. बट मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में कभी अपने आप को टीनेजर से ज्यादा उम्र में नहीं फील किया. सो वाइब्रेंट, सो वाइटलाइज्ड आई फील. हमारी बहू, हमारा बेटा हेल्थ क्लब में जाते हैं, वेरी रेगुलर, वेरी पंक्चुअल. बट एज फार एज एनर्जी इज कंसर्न, I hold 10 times more energy than them with as compared to them, though they are of the half age of mine. So this is the beauty of. So now we are going to the wonderful breathing exercises. Here we are here today to see that how oxygen level can be kept in the order. Second thing, how to de-stress yourself, and third is how to activate. क्योंकि हमने देखा है कि कोरोना से बाहर आने के बाद भी they have overcome corona. Quarantine period is over. They are coming out of corona, but still they fall sick and they die because they're all the systems. Corona gets very much you can say into disorder, and the people get into very much difficult situation even after the corona. So I'll teach you certain things, very important thing. We'll go to the again now very important thing. Shall we next slide please? Yes, now we're going. See, the more you detoxify yourself, the more you activate your chakras in the body, right? This particular 2 exercises that I'm teaching you, cleansing process, they activate the Muladhara chakra, the root of energy. Muladhara chakra lies near the anal region. We'll be activating those chakras. First exercise we are going to do is called the nasal passage cleaning. So take your right hand up. Please take your right hand up. Take your right hand up. 4 fingers fold. Take the thumb out. Close your right nostril and expel the air from the left nostril. You should not open your mouth. And you can do from 10, 15 to 20. Right? Start. Forcefully expulsion from the open nostril. खुली नासिका से लगातार सांस को बाहर फेंकोगे. Start. Relax. Now, take the hand down. This is basically to open your nostrils, to take the mucus out of your nostrils. Now the same thing will be repeating with another hand. Now take your left hand up. Fold fingers, fold, take the thumb out and close your left nostril now. Eyes closed, neck straight, no facial expression, no facial strain. Now expel the out. अब सांस को दूसरी नासिका से लगातार बाहर फेंको. Start. Relax. The same thing when you do with both the nostrils. इसको हम धरती की संजीवनी कहते हैं. It's called Kapalbhati. It is a urine brain tonic. It changes the diaphragm, the main respiratory muscle, into heavy duty pump and acidity. All the because this is the abdominal breathing. Everybody, if activating abdominal breathing, he can never ever got any problem related with the respiratory diseases. Maybe asthma, bronchitis, OPCD, nothing they will have. So we are now doing this pranayam. Shaz bhai, can you play the video for us, please?
So, what exactly is a diaphragm? Inside your chest cavity, the diaphragm works to help your breathing. When it contracts, air fills into your lungs. When the diaphragm relaxes, it expands and forces the air out. This is how we breathe. Sometimes this invaluable muscle can become weak or even paralyzed. Its lack of function can cause difficulty breathing, sleeping, fatigue, and even recurrent pneumonia. Your lungs might also have difficulty with adequate gas exchange since they're inhaling and exhaling inefficiently. Weak or paralyzed diaphragms are rarely caused by an injury to the diaphragm itself. See, the diaphragm connects to the nervous system through the phrenic nerve. When this nerve is damaged or under pressure, the signal to the diaphragm weakens, triggering only part of the muscle, if anything at all. Luckily, imaging such as X-rays, MRIs, and ultrasounds help doctors diagnose diaphragmatic weakness and paralysis. Other times, blood tests can diagnose the issue by revealing a lack of oxygen in the bloodstream. Treatment depends on the severity of the diagnosis. Surgery remains the most effective way to treat a paralyzed or weakened diaphragm, but some doctors may recommend non-surgical options as well. If left untreated, a weak or paralyzed diaphragm can cause breathing issues that worsen over time. If you've been diagnosed with a diaphragmatic issue, visit our Diaphragm Center for more information.
Yes, we have seen in this video, this yellow what is showing now, this yellow what it is shown in the picture, na, it is the main diaphragm. See, diaphragm separates the chest area and below is the abdominal area. When we breathe in and breathe out during the entire 24 hours, we take about 21,300 breathe in and breathe out, right? The entire breathing and breathe out runs at the cost of the diaphragm. Diaphragm, it gets lifted up, breathe out, goes down, breathe up, lifted up, breathe out, this is breathe in. But in Kapalbhati, what you're doing right now, see, with the every exhalation of Kapalbhati, expulsion from both the nostrils with force. See this. The diaphragm gets lifted like this. See this. Above this is the chest, where the lungs are situated, trachea, windpipe, alveolus, and we expel 6 times more air. Rather, I can say our gases exchange with pranayam becomes 10 times more. 500 cubic centimeter we inhale and exhale in the normal breathing. पर कपालभाति के करने से या कोई भी प्राणायाम करने से, डीप ब्रीदिंग करने से, we exchange 10 times of more oxygen versus carbon dioxide. If you do Kapalbhati very regularly, it's the center of fear. Kapalbhati is the abdominal breathing, so acidity, diabetes, constipation, and indigestion can be entirely taken care of with the help of Kapalbhati. So this is to be done on an empty stomach. Ladies, females, sisters, and mothers doing during the first menstruation period, they have not to do this pranayam. And very important is once a lady becomes pregnant, they have not to do this pranayam, Kapalbhati. Empty stomach, it has to be done. And of course, it has to be done with utmost rhythmic expulsion and absolute relaxation, because relaxation is the every action is called the relaxation, right? Now look at me. Kapalbhati means facial muscles, the face becomes quite shining, and all the mental faculties, concentration power, memory power becomes very much stronger with this. It's a unique brain tonic. Yes, with me you'll be taking 15 strokes into 3 cycles. Start. Expel the air out from both the nostrils. यहाँ सांस का अंदर जाना आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. It is silent, passive, and automatic. Yes, start. Relax. In everyday practice, you have to do Kapalbhati for 5 minutes. In 20 minutes, 7 pranayamas. In the beginning, you can do in the cycles, but at a stretch, you have to go to that extent with the regular practice, persistent practice, and you can do this pranayam for 5 minutes. I can tell you, in my last 30 years, I have never got scared of anything. मुझे पता नहीं डर क्या होता है. Of course, I do meditation twice a day. So this Manipur chakra, where the energy gets blocked, na, this is the main center of tension and emotion. So this chakra, Manipur chakra, navel chakra gets activated. Abdomen breathing, once you start doing every day, your diaphragm, the main respiratory, becomes very, very much powerful. In case of any difficulty during the breathing issues, you can never ever have any kind of disease related with the आपको समग्र प्रणाली से कोई भी तकलीफ इससे नहीं होगी. Now we are going for a very important two pranayamas, which will take all three pranayams, which will take the care of even taking the whatever the infection you get na, viral infection, bacterial infection, or fungal infection, or parasites, right? Now here in both these pranayamas, we produce the humming bee sound like this. This humming bee sound on the spot produces 15 times more nitric oxide in the nostrils. हमारी नासिकाओं में 15 गुना ज्यादा नाइट्रिक ऑक्साइड तैयार होता है, and it is killing the viral. It is killing the viral. I have been attending so many corona patients in these days. I have seen that people come out of that. हमारे सामने अभी कृष्ण जी has explained her experience with us. So this is the greatest killer of corona or coronaviral, right? Viral load, it reduces very much, and it is excellent pranayam to keep yourself away from this pandemic, right? तो हम इसको दो तरह से करेंगे. एक है प्रणव प्राणायाम ओम के रूप में, slowly breathe in, then you to say a. Next slide please, शाद भाई, show the om slide. Slowly breathe in, then you have to, yes, ये पहला slide एक बार लेके, ये पहला slide, first slide please, इसका पहले वाला, हाँ ये देखो. See here I have showed all the cavities, headaches, migraine, सर का दर्द होना, नासिका का नाक बहना, या फिर सर्दी, जुकाम, खांसी, खोखला, बलगम. These cavities, if you keep it clean, जो पहला अभ्यास हमने किया है, अभी भी हम करेंगे, it dries up the sinuses. अगर आपके sinuses कपालभाति से dried up हो जाते हैं हर रोज, तो आपको जो है कभी भी सर्दी नहीं लगेगी, जुकाम नहीं होगा. जब ये sinuses, हमारे 8 sinuses होते हैं यहाँ पर in pair, when they get lot of mucus accumulated in them, उनके यहाँ जब mucus जमा हो जाता है तो क्या होता है, वहां भारीपन होता है, और कुदरत उसको हल्का करने के लिए, उसको पिघालने के लिए हमको क्या करती है, नाक बहता है हमारा. So that's a natural way of cleansing या heaviness in our skulls or in our cavities, which is called the sinuses. Okay, now we are going for this pranayam. Yes, next slide please. So first slowly breathe in a, u, and ma. Now here the emphasis has to be given to the ma part of it, because it produces a humming bee sound. And humming bee sound in this time of corona, I've been studying yoga for the more than 30 years now. I have never ever read anything about this in the books. For the last 30 years, I'm a yoga trainer and yoga expert, yoga teacher, rather I can say. But this nitric oxide, everybody, when I go to the search for this, everywhere you will find this nitric oxide, because the corona has paralyzed the entire world. So in this time, if you do this pranayam, I tell even the corona patient to lie down, just produce the humming bee sound. They cannot do the pranayam like this, na? Just I tell them, just with this sound, they are able to control their corona only here. Parasinuses, doctors say as garam pani piyo, throat के लिए अच्छा है. Steaming लो, parasinuses के लिए अच्छा है. लेकिन here pranayam reaches to the every single cell of the body, cells, tissue, organ, system. So cellular reach no one can have except pranayam, except pran, except breathing, right? So we'll be repeating here. I'll show you first round, very first, slowly breathe in. Then start with a, then u, not o. A, u, ma. Ratio will be 1:2:4. Now first see how I'm doing it. Listen me. Then I'll be repeating 3 rounds and you can do with me. Yes. Like on the spot, it enhances your aura. On the spot, it's taking you out of the mental tension, emotional excitement, which really kill your body and lower down your immune system. It is such a wonderful pranayam. It not only affects your body, but even mind, even to the surrounding. If you chant this pranayam 3 times in a if you repeat this 3 times in a day, your entire home's vibration can be purified. right? So you'll be doing with me. I'll be repeating 3 rounds, and you to repeat this for 3 rounds with me. First, slowly breathe in. You can count up to 6 in the beginning. With breathe in, I take 16 because of my longer practices. Hold for 2 counts, and then U, and Ma. What is the ratio? 1:2 is to 4. A will be for single count, U will be for double count, and Ma 4 plus, whatever you can take. You have to produce the maximum humming B sound, which is the tension releasing sound, which is the aura increasing sound, which activates the entire respiratory system. Your after the corona or during the infection disease, even the lungs get affected, even the heart gets affected. So everything will be taken care of with these two pranayams. What I'm taking now and afterward. Yes. Slow breathe in, eyes closed, pay the attention to your center of eyebrows. दोनों ही आंखों के बीच में ध्यान को ले आए. Very slowly, बड़े आराम से, बड़े प्यार से, no exertion. Start. Relax. On the spot, your BP becomes normal. In our morning class, yes, with us, Krishnan Bhai is with us. One person, he was attending our class in the morning time. He put the oximeter in his finger, and on the spot, his oxygen in 2 minutes time with his pranayam became 96 to 99. On the spot, it enhances. You abhi try karte hain oximeter se. And very important, this nasal, this humming B sound, antiviral characteristic it has got. And then very, very, very important that it opens the blood vessels. Blood vessels जैसे ही सक्रिय हो जाते हैं तो खून का बहना बंद हो जाता है. Blood starts hampered. But this opens the blood vessels instantly. जैसे ही blood vessels open हो जाते हैं, the blood starts flowing slowly, easily in all your blood vessels, and it carries the oxygen with it. Oxygen is the prana energy. Why the people are dying? Why we are scared of this oxygen nowadays? But this really gives a lot of oxygen. Humming B sound. Now second pranayam we are doing. Next slide, please. Bastrika. Then this is Brahmari pranayam. Right? You have to slowly breathe in and just produce the humming B sound. You have to, what you do, you have to put the thumb at the opening, at the outer muscle of the ear. आपको कान के अंदर अंगूठा नहीं डालना है, इसके बाहर डालो, धीमी करी सांस लो और फिर हमिंग भी साउंड से सांस को बाहर निकालो. Excellent pranayam for sound sleep. Excellent pranayam for tension releasing. And this is called the mind blending. Now very important thing I am telling you. With these two pranayamas, our brain excretes all the relaxing hormones, dopamine, serotonin, feel good hormone, opiates, love hormone, oxytocin, antidepressant hormone. Now world's 20% this mental cases have increased during this 1 hour pandemic. Now it is almost 25%. And in the next few years, half the world's population will not be able to sleep in the night, and 60 to 70% of people will go into depression. So this will, because of forced isolation, we cannot move out, cannot go to relatives, we cannot go to hotel for dining, we cannot go to our relatives because of this pandemic for more than 1 year. Now people are really fed up with this. But this pranayam will improve your concentration, memory power, oral, it will pacify you, it will get you absolutely, you can do it, you'll be now repeating 3 rounds we are repeating. So close your opening of the ears by pressing the muscle came out. You not to put inside the thumbs. आंखों को ढांके जैसा पिक्चर में दिखाया गया है. Very slowly breathing and then you to only humming we sound you to show. Start with breathe in first, because when we exhale out, when we produce some sound, either om or so this is breathe out. So pranayam means breathe in and breathe out. So first Very slowly breathe in and then breathe out in the humming bee form. Relax. Take both the hands down. This pranayam in regular practice is to be done for 2 minutes. That is about 6 to 7 repetitions. And if you got blood pressure, if your diabetes quite high, if you got thyroid problem, if you got asthma, or if you got anything which is really making your body absolutely, you can say, out of order, you can do this pranayam for 5 minutes each. I have seen the people. A person came to me, okay, my wife has been lost in cancer, and now any doctor, no doctor and no medicine is able to take care of my blood pressure. It is always very high. I told him, Ishwar bhai, you do this pranayam for 5 minutes. I was conducting the class in that class on Thursday. When I went Friday again to that class, he told me, Balram bhai, with the 2 days practice of Om chanting and Brahmari, now my blood pressure, which no doctor could control, no medicine could control, I'm absolutely fine. Such is the wonderful effect of these pranayamas, because it is nowadays, during the corona call, this humming bee sound is very, very, very important. If you do this pranayam, 5 minutes, 2.5 minutes Om pranayam and 2.5 minutes Brahmari pranayam, I can challenge you that कोरोना आपको छूकर चले जाएगा, आपके अंदर कभी जा ही नहीं सकता है. I can challenge you, right? So now, very important thing is that it rejuvenates you, it pacifies you. Your spinal cord becomes quite active with certain practices what you taught you today also. So anybody wants to really learn these pranayamas in much detail, morning 7 o'clock to 7:45 you can join this class, or from tomorrow 5:30 to 6:30 p.m. in the evening we are starting the evening class also, where you can come for 3 days, just experience what change you are finding, and then if you feel like you can continue with that class. Yes, so here I finish up my session. Anybody has to say or to ask anything, please, most welcome. किसी को कुछ कहना है, किसी को कुछ बताना है, कुछ experience बताना है, please come forward. Yes, please.
Sir, I have to tell you one thing.
Yes, Niharika. Yes, बोलिए.
Yeah. ये जो आपने ओम का वो करवाया, चैंटिंग करवाया, या जो हम वाला जो साउंड निकलवाया, ये दिस इज समथिंग जो हमें लोग जो म्यूजिक में भी सिखाते हैं, बिकॉज इट इट क्लियर्स योर दिस लैरिंग्स एंड वोकल कॉर्ड. वी ऑल्सो प्रैक्टिस ऑल द स्वराज लाइक दैट, जैसे सा एक निकालना एक ही सांस में, या जैसे जो ओम का आपने वो निकाला, म पे ज्यादा प्रेशर देना, वो मुझे उसका रेशियो नहीं पता था 1:2:4, but we keep doing it for during our practice sessions of music also, so it's really amazing. Thank you.
Singers, orators, speakers, trainers, they get their voice melodious and very effective voice when you do this pranayam, क्योंकि यहाँ पर thyroid जिनको होता है, it is very good for them also. Yes. Somebody has put the question, Shaz bhai, somebody has written there on the chat box. Thank you, Niharika ji, for the explanation.
Thank you very much, Niharika, for sharing. The question is from Sujata Verma. What can be done before going to COVID duty where COVID load is high? Yes, so Sujata is a medical practitioner and she goes through a lot of COVID patients. So what are your suggestions?
Very nice question. Because the person who is in the circumstances or surrounding of COVID patients, they are more likely to get. So many doctors even have died because of them coming into contact, despite their all the protection. But I'm telling you, if you keep your immunity level high, with the help of these pranayamas. Always your immunity, if the immunity level high, in about 2 months back, my wife also got corona. We all three, my daughter-in-law and my son goes to the health club. I do the yoga practice regularly. One recently someone shared me कि एक घर में 16 लोग थे, 16 people they got out of 16, 15 got corona, and the one lady who did not get corona but detected negative, she was regular yoga practitioner. So naturally you have to increase your immunity, and you have to always take the affirmation when you go inside, intent, I am going to be very safe amongst all these patients and discharging my duty more lovably and remaining away from all its results. या you can say मैं अपनी ड्यूटी को बहुत ही सेफली, बहुत ही सिक्योरली निभाकर लोगों की सेवा करके अपने घर पर सुरक्षित लौटूंगी. Just pray God wherever you got the place for the God or some ritual things you have kept in your house. Just go and pray. Take their blessing कि मैं सेफली जा रही हूँ, मैं सेफली आना चाहती हूँ. Yunus really responds to your words, responds to your feeling. अगर आप डर जाते हैं ना, पता नहीं मुझे कुछ हो जाए, पता नहीं कुछ हो जाए, कहीं मैं नहीं बीमार पड़ जाऊं, आपको जरूर बीमारी आने ही वाली है. ये सुजीता, इज दैट क्लियर टू यू?
Thank you, Balram bhai. So we have question from Nidhi. What's is pranayam also helpful in tinnitus?
Yes, 101%, 101%. Because any pranayam, as I told you, see this humming bee sound when you are producing the entire area from throat to the top of the head, right? जिसमें हमारे कान आ जाते हैं, ज्यादा सुनाई दे देगा आपको लंबे समय तक. आपके नॉस्ट्रल्स में साइनस नहीं होगा, आपके दिमाग में माइग्रेन हेडेक नहीं होगा. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, विद दिस हमिंग बी साउंड आपके चेहरे पे झुर्रियां नहीं आएगी, चेहरे की चमक बनी रहेगी. एंड नेचुरली दे आर बाउंड टू रिड्यूस द sound that one gets during this disease of the ear, because that one nerve gets damaged, and constantly the affected person get this very much disturbance of the sound. It is definitely going to help you out. Yes.
Great. Bharat ji, do you have any question?
I have no question. I just checked my oxygen level. It is 9900 after this exercise right now.
Very nice. Congratulations. So that's proof that the oxygen level does go high.
See, doctor say कि 2 घंटा उल्टा लेटो.
Thank you, Balram bhai.
हाँ हाँ. शाद भाई, किसने जवाब दिया ये ऑक्सीमीटर के लिए? किसने चेक करके रखा है?
भरत जी ने दिया.
हाँ
भरत नारायण.
Yes, भरत भाई, आप तो रोज सुबह करते हैं प्राणायाम, and I can see you are doing it so nicely, so beautifully. Yes.
And thank you very much, Balram bhai, for a wonderful session. All of you, I would request you to unmute yourself and give a round of applause to Mr. Balram Talreja for taking this wonderful session. I'll just take 2 more minutes of talk.
हृदय से आपका धन्यवाद सर. हृदय से आपका धन्यवाद सर.
Thank you very much, everyone.
Somebody has put the question. Now I want to reply that my son, he's rather worried about the son.
Okay, Sujata ka first question I had COVID last year also. I'm worried about my son only. So
see, worry is a very low vibration, right? When you are in a low vibration, worry, fear, anxiety, that time your immunity level goes very down. For that, what I taught you in the beginning, give some time to yourself, watch your breath, watch your mind, put some music and do some meditation, just to have the more capacity of accepting the things the way they are. साक्षीपन योग की आत्मा कहा जाता है. Passive watching is the soul of the yoga. Regular practice of meditation also, which is the part of yoga. The internal yoga is meditation. External yoga is asana and pranayama. When you do it very regularly on regular basis, and I can tell you that if you keep on repeating, I don't want this, I'm scared about this, मुझे चिंता है बेटे की, तो चिंता on the contrary will make the things appearing to you which you do not want. निश्चिंत रहना ही विजय की निशानी है. You have to be absolutely worryless, and for that you have to do the yoga also, because asana also relax your entire body. Lot of endorphins are released during this yoga practices. You start feeling good automatically enhances your immune power. It relaxes you, and it keeps you de-stressed and keeps you out of fear. Yeah.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
Balram
you,
bhai.
sir.
Thank
So
you,
I
sir.
have shared the link for the registration as well. The registration cost is only 1,700 for the whole month. That's a discounted price. And in case if somebody wants to come and observe how the session is, so we are providing a complimentary session tomorrow. The session
3 days.
timings are five for 3 days.
3
Balram
days.
has extended it for 3 days. So the timings for the evening session would be 5:30 to 6:15 in the evening, and for the morning session it's 7 o'clock to 7:45. Okay, so I have shared the login link as well as the registration link. So you can log in, go for the complimentary session, and then register if you wish to. Uh,
Yes.
and one more announcement I would like to make. Next Saturday and Sunday, we are coming up with a beautiful workshop on success principles by Niharika. So, Niharika, I would request you to unmute yourself and share a few things about the workshop. I'll share the
Yeah, yeah.
registration link as well.
So, hi everyone, I'm Niharika, and we are announcing this game changing, life transforming workshop. So, the name of Jack Canfield doesn't need any introduction. If you have been in training or you have been following some great names, Jack Canfield is internationally acclaimed author, mentor, coach, and he has been featured in some amazing movies, including the famous The Secret movie. He created Success Principles, and he has written a book also. It's called as Success Principles Only. And the Success Principle workshop is all based on his content only. It's all his content. So this is a must grab opportunity if you're working in a corporate, if you're working as an entrepreneur, if you have your business going on, or you are on the verge of starting a business, whatever your idea of success is, these principles will help you achieve your goals faster, manifest your goals faster, and it will help you double your overall results. These success principles will create your success, the success you desire and the success you deserve as well. And these success principles I have been using from the time I got trained from him, and they have worked wonderfully for me. So they are going to really transform you all in amazing ways. They have helped me transform my entire life and my system of working, right? The workshop will help you find your purpose, decide and prioritize your goals, and they will reboot your entire thinking process and your mindset, so that you can come out of your comfort zone and your zone of resistance and start taking inspired action. So if you're someone who is on the verge of waiting for a breakthrough and is about and wants to create their own success story and wants to create the reality of the dreams, you should definitely attend this workshop. And there's some amazing bonuses as well. With the price of just one ticket, you can bring on one of your colleagues or your family member to attend this workshop. We have some worksheets that we'll share with you that will help you to track your overall progress, month-wise progress as well. And we have some free stuff like free ebook, which I'll be giving you, and free meditation clips, which I'll be giving you. So this is too good an opportunity for you, because if you're sitting at home, sitting in a lockdown, and you want to create your success despite everything happening around you, despite a pandemic at your door, this is the time to learn the success principles by Jack Canfield and use it to create your own success story. Thank you so much. So I think Shaz will share the link on that on this chat box, right, Shaz?
Thank you, Niharika. I've already
One,
shared the
Shaz
link.
bhai,
What I was saying is Success Principles is one workshop I always wanted to attend. I remember before the pandemic situation, when I opted for this workshop, it was almost 25,000. And thanks to this situation, we are able to take it online, that we are able to give you a very low price on this. So, and Niharika is an amazing trainer, and so is Jack Canfield. So I welcome all of you to go for it. Okay, and I'm also sharing the link for the Midweek Magic Club for the benefit of the people who joined new. So please feel free to join this club. It's you'll have all the information about the weekly sessions here for the Midweek Magic, as well as I will share the recording of this session in this WhatsApp group. So thank you very much, everyone, once again. Thank you very much, Balram Bhai. Thank you, Niharika, for sharing your success principles, and I'm looking forward myself to attend this workshop.
Yeah.
Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir.